Namaskar. My name is Anika and today I am going to tell you brief information on Kathakali. Kathakali is a classical art form of Kerala that originated in the 17th century, influenced by early art forms of Kerala like Tayyam, Krishnattam and Kudiyattam. Initially performed in temples as a spiritual offering, it gradually moved to public audience, making it more accessible. The Kathakali repertoire includes segments like Purapaddu, the introductory dance, Paddam, storytelling, and Kalsham, pure dance sequences. Performers wear vibrant, multi-layered costumes with heavy makeup and jewelries. The makeup classifies the performers into different characters like Pacha, Kathi, Minuku and Thati. The Kathakali art form is accompanied by various instruments like Chenda and Martala. This dance form is celebrated as a cultural richness and dramatic intensity. Thank you.
Kaala